Do you believe that starting with $1 can make you a millionaire one day? No, bro, that's not clickbait. It's real, and this video will show you how. If you're between 18 and 30, what you're about to learn today could be some of the most important minutes of your life. And if you're thinking, $1, that's all I spend on coffee a day, then this video is even more important to you. 1. $1 is small but powerful. We often think, to invest money you need a large amount. But the reality is, the biggest factor is time, not the investment. Example. Let's say you save $1 every day and invest $30 a month. $360 a year. Over 20 years at a 10% return, that's $22,000 plus dollars. Over 40 years, almost $175,000. Now imagine if you save $5 a day. That amount will reach close to $1 million. If you lose this time, then no matter how much money you invest, it is impossible to get it back. 2. Where to start? Step-by-step plan. Choose a low-cost index fund, such as S&P 500. Invest as much as you can each month, even if it is $10. Set up auto debit, sell up a recurring investment. Don't worry about timing. Consistency is the most important. The income you earn doesn't make you rich. How you use it, that is what matters. 3. Why is it important to start young? Starting at 20 versus starting at 30, that 10-year difference means a difference in returns of almost 3 times. Example. Investing $100 a month at age 20 will yield a return of $700,000 in 60 years. Starting at age 30 will yield a return of $300,000. So if you invest today instead of coffee, you might be a Starbucks shareholder tomorrow. 4. Where to invest? Realistic options. USA, Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. India, Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks. Low-cost index funds, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Nifty 50. Focus on long-term investing, not daily trading. Do you want to worry about a bill at age 40, or to walk around in peace with your money? 5. Delaying is bad. The more you delay, the less profit you will get. If this sounds easy, look at the calculation of compound interest again. And if you want to know how this profit is made, then I have a magical video for you. $1 is not just a small coin. It is a beginning. An opportunity that, over time, turns into something huge. If you start today, 10 years later you will say to yourself, that day was the best day of my life. And if you want to understand how this $1 can bring such a huge return, then watch my video now. The magic of compounding. Know the secret of $1 million when you have time. The link is below. Once you watch it, you will understand that time is the real capital. Subscribe, like, and write in the comments how much dollars you want to start with.